Have you ever roasted a leg of lamb in a wood-fired pizza oven? No? You're missing out big time. It's crispy skin, juicy meat, wood-infused flavours. It's absolutely delicious. And today, I'm going to show you exactly, step by step, how to get the perfect leg of lamb cooked in a Flaming Coals wood-fired pizza oven. Let's start by getting our fire going. Today, to make our life easier, we're using one of these raised log holders to really promote that extra oxygen flow. We're just going to start with a couple of natural fire lighters, some kindling, and some pieces of red gum about the size of your forearm. To really help get the fire going, for the first 10 minutes, we're going to leave the door of the pizza oven off, and we're going to have the flute completely open, just to really promote that air draw through the oven. After about 10 minutes, we're going to push our fire towards the back of the oven, pop the door on, leaving it open just a couple of inches. We're then going to close the flue about halfway. If we were cooking pizzas today, we'd be aiming for a target temperature of between 400 and 450 degrees Celsius. But today, because we're cooking a roast, we're aiming of a target temperature between 200 and 220 degrees. Very similar to what you'd be cooking inside your home kitchen. While we wait for our wood-fired oven to get up to temperature, we're going to get our lamb ready. Here I have a 1.3 kilo deboned leg of lamb. It's already been trussed by the butcher, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the outside netting so then we can access the inside and season it throughout. To season our lamb today, we're going with one of my favourites, the Flaming Coals traditional lamb rub. And of course, our roast lamb wouldn't be complete without some delicious roast potatoes. Now our oven's up to temperature, it's time to pop our lamb and potatoes into the oven. And here we have it. How amazing does this leg of lamb look? It smells absolutely divine. The rosemary, the garlic have infused such a great amount of flavour. It's got crispy skin, the roast potatoes are paired beautifully. The only thing left to do is to dig on in. So crunchy. That's really great. The flavours are incredible. I wish you were here to try it. As you can see, this was a really super simple cook. Roast leg of lamb in the wood pizza oven, great for family events and gatherings, or even just for a small intimate meal at home. Thank you so much for watching. To see the full recipe, click on the link in the description below. And remember to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so you never miss one of our videos. I really look forward to seeing you in our next one.